You have probably seen it by now. A 14-year-old boy from a small town of Bihar was selected for IPL and World Cup under 19 too, and he was trending everywhere.
वैभव सूर्यवंशी सूर्यवंशी वैभव सूर्यवंशी सूर्यवंशी वैभव सूर्यवंशी वैभव सूर्यवंशी.
News channels calls him the prodigy and the social media calls him a natural talent. And somewhere in thousands of homes across India, parents looked at their own child and felt something uncomfortable. Honestly, when I saw this first, I too felt inspired. But then I noticed something. Every single article, every newspaper, every reels was talking about what he achieved, but none of them was spoke about how did he achieve it. And that bothered me a lot because I think that gap, that silence about how he achieved, is actually hurting most of the students and parents in the country now. So, I want to ask you one question that nobody asked. What if talent had nothing to do with success? A researcher, Angelina Duckworth, spent many years in studying the world's most successful people, and her result was shocking. That is, talent was not the reason for the success. The real reason is doing right things for a very long time without giving up. And the more I studied the successful people, the more I realized that is, she was true. The problem, what viral stories do to us. Let me tell you what actually happens in many Indian homes when a story like this goes viral. While I'm growing up, every time someone around me did something great and I felt inspired for that moment, and later I felt small for a week, and I realized that that feeling is not motivation. Think about it. Would you compare a person on day 1 of learning swimming to a person with someone who is at Olympics? No, that is ridiculous, right? But we do this to our child every day without even realizing it. We are just comparing our chapter 1 to someone else chapter 20. In case of Vaibhav, social media shows you the IPL moment, the trophy, the celebration, the great applause. But it never showed you the 5 a.m. alarm. It never shows you the years of practice that he put in on himself. Because every time a success story goes viral, I see students losing confidence instead of gaining it. The real story, what social media never showed you. Before the IPL, there were empty crowds. Before the cameras, there were early mornings where he and his bat alone were away. Before the money and fame, there were ordinary days where nothing felt special. He practiced the same shots hundreds of days. On the day he did not feel like picking up the bat, he picked it up anyway. When he failed, he did not make any excuses. He figured out what went wrong and he fixed it. When his progress was slow, he did not panic. He just kept on going. This is the part that moved me the most when I read this story. Because this story is not about the talented boy. This story is about the disciplined boy. What looked like talent is just usually a years of practice that nobody filmed it. And that's the real problem. Because when we see only the outcome, we start believing that success only comes by accident. But it does not. The system, this is what you actually need to do. Now I can give you something real. Not inspiration, not motivation, but a simple system that you can start building by today. And this is exactly what helped me when I got stuck. The first one is more simple enough. Take a piece of paper, write down your goal in one sentence. That's going to be your future. Remember, Vaibhav had only one direction, that is cricket, and everything else seems to be a noise to him. That single clarity was helped him to protect all his energy from the every other distraction. The second thing is where the most people fail. Build one daily habit. Work for 30 minutes on every single day without fail. I want to be honest here. This is the step where I genuinely felt hard. Doing our continuous things for a regular days is not that easy, but this consistency level will make you stand separate among everyone else because most people stop doing on hard days. If you do not stop on those days, you will eventually stand in a room where nobody else has reached till now. The third thing is just a weekly review where you stand. Every Sunday, just 10 minutes. Just ask these 3 questions, just 3 in yourself. What works for you, what did not, and why. Do not judge yourself. Just be true to yourself. This is what the entire system. One goal, one daily habit, one honest check-in. I made this content because I genuinely believe that right information at a right time can change someone's direction completely. I personally was that one student, feeling confused, comparing myself with everybody, and feeling like falling behind always. And nobody told me that success was a system and it's hard for me to find it out. and I don't want you to suffer on that. So here is one question I actually wanted to ask it from you. Tell me, what is that one habit or a system that you're going to build for yourself by today? Write out on your comment. Let me read that. Build your own system. Trust your system. Start today. Thanks for watching all through this video.